Hello everybody. How you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna talk about the drill and how the drill be used. Okay, let's go to a screen and talk about that now. Okay, let's talk about the drill module. Drill module. Mastercam drill module is used to generate toolpath for drilling, boring, and taping. Setting drill parameter or proper operating mode and value, and selecting point for the operation to be implementable or very crucial to be successful execution of the drill module. Drill parameter. The drill specific parameter are listed below. Cycle drill peck, drill chip, brake, tab, bore, bore 1, bore 2, miscellaneous 1, miscellaneous 2. Initial height had to be set 0.0. Reference height 0.0. Depth 0.0. First peck increment 0.0. First peg increment 0.0, subsequent peg increment 0.0. Peg clearance 0.0, retractive amount 0.0, dwell 0.0. The Z depth, 3 Z values are involved in cycle operation. Initial height, reference height, and Z depth. The initial height, the cutter travel at the Z value to specify hole center. The reference height, the cutter move down in rapid mode to the Z value. At Z depth, the cutter feed down to the Z value is absolute or incremental mode. This is Z value of the whole bottom. Initial height you start from top right here, and reference height you start from right here in the middle right here. And the Z depth is all the way in the bottom right here. And Mastercam allows Z values to specify to either absolute or incremental mode. The depth in the distance between the selected point position to the bottom of the hole. The sign is determined as a negative if the whole bottom is below the selected point, and is a positive if the whole bottom is above the selected point. Okay, how to specify Z value is measure depth on whether increment or absolute mode is chosen. When it's set to be increment mode, the Z value is measured from the Z coordinate of the select point to the whole bottom as shown. If select point to the coordinate of 3501, the following two commands define the Z depth being at the Z equal 1.0. There's the diagram right here that you can see the negative and the positive right here. Okay, in absolute mode, the Z value is measured always from the Z0 plane to the whole bottom. When this mode is used, the system ignores the Z coordinate of the select point and use the Z0 plane as the reference to measure the Z depth. The diagram right here also, the Z equals 0 point right here. And the tip, always use the absolute mode if possible to avoid confusion. Because you may not know the exact Z value of those select points, use the increment mode only when the hole having different depth and select point have the Z actual value. Of the whole bottom, with the increment mode, the same Z depth value can be used for all hole, although hole may have different depth. As the diagram shows you right here, the cycle mode. Cycle mode, Mastercam provide a total of 8 cycle commands with 6 standard type and 2 optional type. The 2 optional commands, miscellaneous 1 and 2, are used to define cycle. They are unique and therefore are not discussed here. The 6 standard cycle are described in the table right here. They have a cycle type, drill, peg drill, chip brake, tab, bore 1 and bore 2. And then they have the G code. G1, G81, G82 for in command. For example, typical application for drilling or counter boring hole depth or shorter than 3 times of the cutter diameter. A peg drill, drilling deep hole whose depth are longer than 3 times cutter diameter, especially suited for the application where chips are difficult to remove. Chip break, drill deep hole whose depth are longer than 3 times cutter diameter. Tap, tapping right hand internal thread. Boring 1, boring hole with feed in and feed out pad. Bore number 2, boring hole with feed in, spindle stop, and rapid out pad. Okay, that's what we all talking about, the drill, how the drill work. And that's all I have for today, guys. And if you have any question regarding the drill, please leave me a comment below, or you have any comment other than that, just leave me in the comment below. And all I have for today, guys, hope you like this video. If you do like the video, please subscribe, like, share the video. And other than that, you guys have a great day, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.